me makwaba edeba Adom TV dwumadie we eye Nkuranhyensem emre dwumadie me am ti dwamu amede dwumadie ho chia me edin am giso eye Apostle Dr. Thinketh me da sepa se wode wafidi ato a ma me no mienu nkambo mu ne yemfa na ase soronko emma ne wosoro agenkwa no na yenka se papa ye da wase se woni ade ne yie wadom nti ne ete ase je wo na ase waka me da ase. And this is the second part of the factory of life. So much you say, and you may be a Ubian or baby, I know. But watch our bo. Me lens a Miche, Matadi a Miche, your baby, I know. Was so a brabono or factory. Now, no, sometimes I need to go better than some brabo factory. And a junior or junior. If you lose your job, if your marriage is threatened, if things are not going right, you will say that things are not going to be easy. Say, Ebia, what you must say, and I won't hear you, Mayo. And now I worry to see, and my who do any, and I encourage you in fear more. Since you can some basa, the Ayata can say, ye, with the easy you, with the mebreo, better than my Jumafro, better than my worry ye, some water catch it on one. Ebemu amount. What you think you get. Nyawunya hunu say, whatever you hold in your soul, adebia edore okra no, ebawa brabum. Whatever you hold in your soul becomes products that you produce in your life. Your soul is made up of your thoughts, your emotions, and your willpower. Whatever you hold in your soul, you manifest and you achieve it, good or bad. And the emra woka say enye easy, enye na say who produce so no. Your fears and thoughts of not going to have it easy might be true. Oh, say me suro say enko ye na be no kre. But kai hunu say adwuma bi abontino obetimi anya. Kai hunu say aware papa bi wo obetimi anya. Ka won se abrabo wa ba betime bu ka won se mpunche bu o de mawo na ka won se abrabo ba emre ko se obadwina adwen pa no adwen asafata ho. Never lose hope. When your marriage is down, don't lose hope. When you don't have any work to do, don't lose hope. When things are difficult, don't lose hope. Your thoughts will create your experiences. If you lose hope, you think negatively. If you lose hope, you think it's not going to be easy. And when you think that way, yes, it's not going to be easy. But think positively. Achia nemuye akade oho ametimi apen na mai ne yie. Enkoye de enti enkoye ne ye weni ede na metimi aya be koye. Ensem fata de na mefa so aya ebesa fata. Sabe ebo na paya yempam. Ebo na paya yempam. Na onipa wabra body tete pansam said ya betimi ahyehye na foforo. Do not limit yourself by what you think. Do not hurt yourself by what you think. Wa adwene a wodwene na ma oyawdie edorwo. Adwene a wodwene na ma mreyo ebeyo hoho. Adwene a wodwene na ma bufuo ba. Na no obi ka asem anya kire wo no, ede na ma obufu ye. Ne o ka kire wo ho na kenya bufuo. Na no wo sha baba wa bi a wo se baba we de ne ho fe. Ye we de hene mpukuya we de minyana meto no ekenya wodo akoma mu na akose ne pe chese adwene abadwene bia na hyase ene ne abaye enti mra enkoyi no dwadwempa enkoyi atete apansam enso megidi se menya akande ne suahunu na me kama brabo ho a ebeye empo onipa arebo ne boko satafre so ya na ho sabe so nkonsuo ni ekura obetime agya no to baabi. There are people in our lives who have become poisonous. That no matter how we think positively, they will create toxicity for us. Let them go. Now, the mechanics actually will be say, "Yankopon say what the idea. Niawa kambo mu no. Me and the team na me say Yankopon na ka wari etu. O wari na Yankopon ho. Be man say open no, o de to Yankopon anim. We share oba no bo mpa papa we na me pe no. Mo na makosha mantwe bi na mawade na se bi so ban finish so ban bone. Adware mu ho se Yankopon de aka to mu no. Me and the team. One na ka Yankopon na ka bo mu. Onyame won ka nipa mbum. Una ade wo pe ekope nipa no enti enkoye na atete apansam na edi wunya na wagye mu na nse dia ba ne se mema twe sekan na ode tata ma mema twe tuwa na ode tata ma enye suban papa. I will condemn it with every energy I have. Let us grow up in our emotions. And before we can grow up in our emotions, it means we need to have knowledge and wisdom in our minds. So ben bi abede na die no susu ho kane, wo dwene ho kane, na wo dwene ho a ekanya watenka, na watenka ekanya woni ye. Your thoughts can act like chains that will tie you to the ground. Adwene abegine betimi aka wahye. And your thoughts can become like wings that will take you far and above. And now what you have been between and tabaya, a bit me am aware to you. A baby, I dream about dream one. Besides, said these thoughts are they thoughts that are chaining me to the ground, or are they thoughts that will make me fly? I dream I made you family who can you. I dream I made you our Jumamua. I dream I made you from my brother Hunino. I dream I bet come here share at a me. And now I dream a bit sunny me. Now I'm a metu. It is your choice to entertain the thoughts you think about. To me, in a crowd, and then I'm not say, to me, I dream in our audio. And found the AC or Brabumu, and found the Ecoso or Abusiamu, and found the Ecoso or Adimu, and found the Ecoso or Memua. The only thing you possess is the power to think. The power to think. I know there new being some crowd. And you need to replace every negative thought. Yes, thoughts can be automatic. Ebu awushia ade na nya na ba, hey my bro, e ba ne sa sakra wadwene mu. Remember that happy and good life starts in the mind. A happy and a good life starts in your life, in your mind. So is a sad and a bad life. Abrabo ahutwa, awade edimu. Adesua ema nipa konkan adwumapa ya adwumadene na hyase ene adwene ayadwene anapa me sori ye na rendo ofra me ni apostle ene ebe program o me se meba o kenya me atenka na ekenya me na me nda so ne se me kwa koye program enti na wa madwene pota me tu car na mabai esan asem o kato madwene pro so no ekenya atenka bi okay na bekache ne say rendo na dia mabre o me ho mfa me bo se na ma ebota na me da ho na ni ha ka me na mada na okenya ame no ne nyina so ne nyoma me so me ka kire me ho a ekenya ame abrabo won kenya egina wadwen pro so e na wabo mfiayo e na omre yo egina wadwen pro so enkoyie aticha pansam ayedne asay enu nkire se enyeyi the ye dear enyina so ene adwene abadwisa hye adwene efri wo se eden atosin obetimi ahye ne ma achia nenso emui kwan bia so no obetimi atene no sebe de okonsuo ena bo anyina se wato na muntuo na bibia ankoyi a emba ho abomfia emba ho sobo hye ho den na hye ho nkran na ka che ho se bibia megina ya metehwe no mesori biom na makenya mabrabo na mabrabo aye krabehe obi onyankopon bo obi na oba ma yedie oba ma so bedi nkunim na to da bia ya adwene na eba na basa onyame nhira wate onyame nhya wodne na oma wadwene enore adwempa Nkuranhyensem ne yedie nsem ne ensem a sefata enya bufuo oyawdie atete ne empo abomfiasem emparo mama menna frankase na menna Enoch wenum na sound any camera na menna MCR lighting and floor manager se na mensa na empo me producer Randolph ena Eja Webek Ampadu se Sandra ho a menchia no gidi se no ho ye onyame enka ho se onya akwanhwe ame koso na hwe badwam adwumadie na de eba na doso woni onyame entena